Go to the layer menu and new layer in Affinity Photo. Then go to edit and fill it with white, green, etc. and click apply. Then go to filters, colors and procedural texture. Now to add some equations, click plus 3 times if you want the red, green and blue channels. But I've also created one here. I'm just going to go with test 5. Now obviously you will not have that, but you can see the result of test 5. You get this lovely elliptical design. Now you can vary these settings, but please feel free to copy these equations. Just copy them and use them. Click apply. Once you've done that, go over here to the elliptical marquee tool. Obviously you could use a rectangle, perfectly reasonable as well, but since it's elliptical, I'm going to use that and just create that nice selection over there. Now I'm using mode new. Don't have to, you could use add as well, but the thing with mode new is you can move this around. You can also go up to select and feather, so you get a nice blurry effect if you want for the next stage. So I'm just going to go for say 117. Obviously depends on the size of the document. Then I can go to layer and new pattern layer from selection. That's the whole thing I've been aiming for. Get that. So I'm just going to select that and remove that one. Now this one, just go over here to the move tool. I can resize that and you can see now you got that design that I created earlier. Go to mirror, make certain the mirror is on, and you can go hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that. And you can then build up, of course, all kinds of different designs. You can resize this one to make it maybe slightly bigger and so on. Also, you can rotate it much more. You can also go to the layers panel and go through blending modes. So maybe go for difference, maybe resize it, maybe decide, you know what, I prefer this, that sort of design. So you can create sort of nice sort of arcs there. Again, you can always, like I say, rotate it. Just try it out, see what looks really nice. You can also hold them down again, Alt Option key, and duplicate it again and create that design. Maybe hold it down again, and so on and so on. So you can build up a complex design. Maybe go for a different blend mode for some of them. Once you've done that, what you do, select all of them, then go to Layer and Merge Selected. Now the end result may look the same. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it changes suddenly, but there you've got a lovely pattern design which you can of course move around, and you can hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate it again. So you get another pattern layer, go to the blending modes, and again run through with difference to create another design. And again you can resize that, move that and do all kinds of things. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.